What is the meaning of education? Etymologically, the word education is derived from educare. In Latin, means bring up, which is related to educere, which means bring out. So, bring forth what is within and bring out potential, and ducere, to lead. Education in the largest sense is any act or experience that has a formative effect on the mind, character, or physical ability of an individual. In its technical sense, education is the process by which society deliberately transmits its accumulated knowledge, skills, and values from one generation to another. Webster defines education as the process of educating or teaching. Now that's really useful, isn't it? Educate is further defined as to develop the knowledge, skill, or character of. Thus, from these definitions, we might assume that the purpose of education is to develop the knowledge, skill, or character of students. In ancient Greece, Socrates argued that education was about drawing out what was already within the student. As many of you know, the word education comes from the Latin educere, means to lead out. At the same time, the sophists, a group of itinerant teachers, promised to give students the necessary knowledge and skills to gain positions within the city-state. Thus, we see that there are different views and understandings of the meaning of the term education. In modern times, it has acquired two different shades of meaning, namely, an institutional instruction given to students in school, colleges, formally, and a pedagogical science studied by the student of education. Can you memorize what is the meaning of education? Etymologically, the word education is derived from educare. In Latin, it means bring up, which is related to educere, which means bring out. Thus, bring forth what is within, bring out potential, and ducere, to lead. For inspiration, Education is a Vaccine for Violence by Edward James Olmos.